Anthony with West Coast Custom Concrete. Today we are collaborating with Concrete Tools Direct, and they sent me a bunch of concrete tools from Elite Concrete Tools. So we're testing them all out. Milton's a professional. He's going to test all these out, the floats. You got the edgers, 1/2 inch radius, super nice. Elite Concrete Tools out of Florida. We got a bowl float, but they didn't send me the adapter, so we're gonna Milton. I'm giving them the junior and senior, and they can put an adapter on them. We got a Darby. We got the pull trowels. Elite Concrete Tools out of Florida. And every month, sign up to Concrete Tools Direct sweepstake, and you'll win something free. Last month they gave up a saw. You'll be seeing them on the job because the boys get all the tools because this is what he do. They're all yours with your dad. It's edger. This is a 1/2 inch radius. All the boys, everybody knows that my crew is the best finishing crew on social media, and they all love this edger. 1/2 inch radius, super sweet. Here's our pull trowel, steel trowel. You'll see when Milton gets out there on skates, we're gonna have him demo this and the edger, and you guys will get to see.
We have the round trowels, square trowels. They look good, pretty similar to what we use here. You just have to break them down a little bit, work them up for a while, and they get like the square one. We always round up the corners a little bit and bank the ends up a little. Not much, just barely enough so it doesn't dig into the concrete. The round one is good. This one is good. I've been using it today, and it seems to work good. I mean, so far it's good. I mean, I like it. Honestly, the floats are a little different than what we use here, but I guess it's a matter of getting used to work with them. They're gonna get better with the use, I would think. Yeah, they're okay. They're good tools. They're good tools, honestly. Las cucharas de like concrete tools son buenas, son similares a las que usamos. No las hemos usado mucho, pero apenas nos las mandaron y estamos probándolas y son similares a las que usamos aquí en California. Son buenas, no sabría decirles los precios y eso, pero son buenas herramientas, se puede hacer trabajo bien con ellas. A mí me gusta recortarles un poco las esquinas, hacerlas redondas y doblarles un poquito a cada punta, a cada lado, para que no se entierren en el cemento. Son buena herramienta, parece. Quieren chequearla, puedan probarla. No sabría decirles de los precios, pero son buenas. Son buenas las flotas. Las flotas son de un material diferente que usamos acá. Posiblemente trabajan bien. Cuestión de usarlas un rato y probar. Yo creo que son buenas flotas también. Son un material como de ¿qué será? Plástico o no sé qué tipo de plástico es, pero se ven bien, hay que amoldarlas y yo creo que van a trabajar bien. Ahí está toda la casa. Saludos.
Hi, I'm Anthony from West Coast Custom Concrete. We are with Concrete Tools Direct. Every month they have a free giveaway sweepstakes, and the link will be in the bio and the description. And all you got to do is fill it out, and you can win a bundle every month. They give something away. This is from Elite Concrete Tools. They have bowl floats, hand floats, edgers. It's all top quality. Steel trowels, the best of the best. So if you want to win a free whole package for a finisher, just fill out the sweepstakes and you got a chance every month. Thank you very much.